Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Nursing Tricks, and I hope you all are doing well and you have watched my previous video of growth and development of the infant. And in the continuation with that growth and development of infant, in this video I will be covering the growth and development of a infant, and specifically in this I will be covering the growth and development of infant of 2 month. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel, dear friends, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of my latest video that I am uploading. So starting off with the today's video, that is the growth and development of a 2-month-old child. So in this, as you have already seen in the previous videos, when we have covered the growth and development of a 1-month-old child, we have covered under the following headings, that is physical growth, gross motor, fine motor, sensory, vocalization and socialization, and the cognition. So why I am covering these in a specific heading, so that it will be easy for you to just remember whenever you get a questions out of this particular topic. So starting off with it, so the first aspect that you can see on the screen is the physical growth. So if you will see the physical growth of a 2-month-old child, that time you can see their posterior fontanelle gets closed. Their posterior fontanelle gets closed, and the crawling reflex it disappears, and the crawling reflex it disappears. So these are the two important aspects that you should remember whenever you are talking of a child of a 2-month-old. Okay, coming on to the gross motor. In gross motor, they assumes the less flexed position, and if you will put them in a prone position, their hips will be flat and the legs will be extended, arms will be flexed and head to the one side. So here, whenever you will give a prone position, this what I have already told you, you can see in a child. Now they have less head lag if you will pull them to the sitting position, and they can maintain the head in same plane as rest of the body when held in the ventral suspension. So when prone, they can lift head almost 45 degrees of the table, and when moved to the sitting position, head is held up but bends the forward. Now they assumes the symmetric tonic neck reflex, and the position is intermittently. So now coming on to the fine motor. In fine motor, their hands often open, their grasp reflex is fading, and in the sensory development, their binocular fixation is there, and convergence to the near objects starts beginning, and when supine follows dangling toy from side to point beyond midline, and visually searches to locate the sounds, and they turns head to side when sound is made at level of ear. See here, these all sentences are self-explanatory. So if you will just, this is, you have to just remember this, and there is nothing to explain. Okay, so please do remember this. Okay, coming on to the vocalization, they vocalizes distinct from the crying, and crying becomes differentiated. They start coos and they vocalizes to the familiar voice. And if you will see in the socialization and the cognition, they demonstrates the social smile in response to the various stimuli. So this we have seen the growth and development of a child of 2-month-old age. So in physical growth, we have to just remember their posterior fontanelle gets closer, and their crawling reflex disappears. If you will come to the gross motor, they assumes the less flexed position. When prone, their hips are flat, legs are extended, arms are flexed, and head is on the one side. And they can maintain head in a same plane as rest of the body when held in a ventral suspension. See, when we will cover the 2-month, 3-month, 4-month, 5-month until 12-month, I will give you one chart that will help you in remembering the growth and development in a just one go. Okay, so try to just remember as much as possible from this particular video, so that once I will give you that table, you will be able to just correlate that table from this particular slides. Okay, so with this we are done with the growth and development of a child with a 2-month-old. Okay, so now in the next video you can see the growth and development of a 3-month-old child, and subsequently 4-month and 5-month. So I hope you will like this video, and please share the link as much as possible. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video.